A small kitchen doesn't mean sacrificing style or functionality. With the right minimalist organization techniques, you can transform even the tiniest space into a sleek and efficient cooking area. In this video, we'll explore smart design strategies, clever storage solutions, and stylish organization tips to help you achieve a modern, clutter-free kitchen. Whether you're working with a compact apartment kitchen or a tiny corner in a studio, these ideas will make your space feel larger, more organized, and effortlessly stylish. If you love home design and interior ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment and let us know which kitchen organization tip you find most useful. Now, let's dive into the world of small kitchen organization with big style. When space is limited, look up. Vertical storage is a game changer for small kitchens, allowing you to make use of every inch without cluttering your countertops. Install floating shelves to display stylish dishware, or hang a pegboard to keep essential utensils within reach. Magnetic knife strips and wall-mounted racks can also free up valuable drawer space while adding a modern touch. Another great option is using tall cabinets that reach the ceiling, giving you extra storage for less frequently used items. Choose sleek, minimalist shelving in neutral tones to maintain a clean and cohesive aesthetic. By utilizing vertical space efficiently, you not only enhance organization, but also create an airy and uncluttered atmosphere. This approach keeps everything easily accessible while maintaining the elegance of a modern, minimalist kitchen. One of the biggest challenges in a small kitchen is keeping clutter under control. The key to a minimalist design is having a place for everything. Invest in pull-out pantry shelves, stackable organizers, and drawer dividers to maximize storage. Transparent containers help keep ingredients visible and neatly arranged, while multifunctional furniture, such as kitchen islands with built-in cabinets, provides additional storage without taking up extra space. Opt for minimalist storage bins that blend seamlessly with your kitchen's aesthetic. By prioritizing smart storage, you'll create a visually clean and stress-free environment, making cooking more enjoyable. The less clutter you see, the more modern and stylish your kitchen will feel. Color plays a crucial role in making a small kitchen feel bigger and more stylish. Light, neutral tones such as white, beige, and soft gray can reflect natural light, creating an open and airy ambience. If you love a bit of contrast, consider adding black or dark accents through cabinet handles, lighting fixtures, or open shelving. A monochromatic color scheme also enhances a minimalist look, making the space feel cohesive and elegant. Avoid excessive patterns or too many different colors, as they can make the kitchen appear smaller and busier. A well-chosen color palette will not only elevate the aesthetics of your kitchen, but also contribute to an organized and harmonious atmosphere. Oversized appliances can make a small kitchen feel cramped, so selecting the right sized appliances is essential. Opt for compact, multifunctional appliances that fit seamlessly into your space without overwhelming it. Built-in ovens, under-counter refrigerators, and sleek induction cooktops are great options for a minimalist design. Stainless steel or matte black finishes enhance the modern aesthetic while maintaining a clean and polished appearance. Look for appliances with hidden storage features, such as microwaves that double as range hoods or dishwashers with panel fronts that blend into cabinetry. Keeping appliances to a minimum ensures that your kitchen remains uncluttered, stylish, and highly functional. Open shelving is a great way to make a small kitchen feel more open while keeping it organized. Instead of bulky upper cabinets, opt for sleek, floating shelves where you can display stylish dinnerware, glass jars, or decorative pieces. Keep the arrangement minimal by limiting the number of items on each shelf. This prevents the space from looking cluttered. To maintain a cohesive look, choose dishware and storage containers in a similar color palette. Open shelving not only adds a modern touch, but also encourages you to keep everything neat and tidy. This approach enhances the feeling of space, making your kitchen appear bigger and more stylish. Good lighting can make a small kitchen feel larger and more inviting. Layered lighting is key. Combine ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting to create depth and warmth. Under cabinet LED strips provide functional illumination while adding a sleek, modern touch. Pendant lights above an island or dining counter can serve as statement pieces without overwhelming the space. Mirrors or glossy finishes can also reflect light, making the kitchen appear brighter and more spacious. Choosing the right lighting ensures that your minimalist kitchen remains stylish, functional, and visually expansive. When space is at a premium, every piece of furniture should serve multiple purposes. Consider foldable tables, extendable counters, or bar stools that can be tucked away when not in use. Wall-mounted drop leaf tables are great for creating an instant dining area without taking up floor space. Mobile kitchen carts with storage shelves provide extra prep space and can be moved around as needed. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, you maximize your kitchen's efficiency while maintaining a clean and organized look. This ensures that your space remains practical, stylish, and uncluttered. A minimalist kitchen doesn't have to be boring. Strategic decorative elements can add warmth and personality without creating clutter. Consider a single piece of artwork, a stylish rug, or a few potted plants to bring in natural textures. Choose functional decor, such as beautiful cutting boards or elegant spice racks, that double as design elements. Stick to a less is more approach. Each piece should serve a purpose while enhancing the overall aesthetic. By curating your decor thoughtfully, you maintain a balance between style and simplicity, achieving a modern and inviting kitchen space. A small kitchen can be both stylish and highly functional with the right organization techniques and design choices. By maximizing vertical space, investing in smart storage solutions, choosing a cohesive color palette, and selecting compact appliances, you can create a modern kitchen that feels spacious and clutter-free. Lighting, multifunctional furniture, and minimal decor further enhance the sleek and sophisticated look. Remember, a well-organized kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it also makes cooking and daily tasks more enjoyable. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more home design and interior ideas. Let us know in the comments which organization tip you'll be trying in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.